Experience driving perfection in the 2013 INFINITI G37x. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 20,000-mile mark. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. INFINITI infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a power seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and leather upholstery. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. INFINITI also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.